Hello, my name is Kalantha Mann, and I am doing my presentation on EduCause. EduCause is a website that is nonprofit and whose mission is to advance higher education through the use of information technology. So I'm talking to all the informational technology gurus out there, and also those who are already informational technologies. First thing you need to do is set up a profile so you can log into the site. You just click on login and it will take you to a screen that will show you all the universities that are associated with this program. Also, it's not going to show it now because I've already set up my profile prior to this video being recorded. So all I have to do is just click on where I want to go. The next thing I'm going to let you know about is the mission and the organization itself. The mission of EduCause is to advance higher education through the use of technology. So they are looking for ways to show you innovative ways to complete your work, or to present information in a more unique way. The next thing is who are they? Who are they? They are members of the institutional members, industry members. They're also nonprofit members, and also. How can they help you? Well, they can help you stay up on dates and trends and help you make informed decisions, advance your knowledge of careers, make connections, and build networks. Okay, and the next thing is focus areas. Here they show you how to manage enterprises. They show you about the policies and securities. They also teach teaching and learning. So they also help you with that. They help you understand the learner and the learning technology. They help you understand policy issues and core technology. So these are the things that this website does. As far as the career development side of it, what they do, they find and post jobs for career advancement. So if you're looking for another job, then you can find a job that way with them. They contribute to the greater good, like scholarships. They offer scholarships. They get involved with the community. They offer leadership and management programs as well. The next thing that they do is conferences, and here they have face-to-face type of education events, online management, leadership development, and upcoming events. You can see here that you can click on each one for additional information. Okay, and the last thing is research and publication. They also do top issues and trends, and they also do publications. So this is what this website is about. Thank you for listening.